If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to this channel. Share an experience which have made me to lost thousands of dollars running a Facebook ad. I know this exciting news you guys will be willing to hear, so you wouldn't fall into trap of what I've been doing wrong running my Facebook ad. Anytime that I want to run ad, I usually use my phones. I don't use Facebook Ads Manager to run my ad. I always run ad to my website and use Get More Website Visitors, and which I know most people have been using results for their ad. Their ad will be performing wrong objective. Especially of this, the best objective is conversion. So conversion really means that you want people to buy a product, be generating a lead to your website. What I've been doing wrong on my Facebook. If you want to run an ad on a quick notice, go to www.facebookadsmanager.com. You can use your Google Chrome to improve your ad. Log into your www.facebookadsmanager.com. Turn your phone to a desktop. Using a phone like me before, you get more message, get more WhatsApp message, get more lead, promote your page, get website visitors. If you are using all these objectives and you want to run hard to your website, you'll be using a wrong objective since that you want to sell your product. You'll rather be using get website visitors and you are not creating lead. If you are creating lead is when you use get website visitors. You use Chrome to run hard. We have number one objective, brand awareness. We have reach. Number two, we have traffic, we have engagement, we have page like, we have event response, we have app install, we have lead generation, we have message action, we have conversion. So this is what I'm getting rid for. Instead of me to use conversions, I'm generating want people to click on a lot of call to action which you see on phone. You needed to stop running hard if you want to get a better result on your phone. You log into your Chrome. Type www.facebookadsmanager.com. You have a limited objective for PC. So if you want to get a better result from today, stop running ad on your phone. Running ad on your phone again. This is also what you get. We have the same detailed targeting